What's up, world? It's Sunday. Another day banana challenge. How about some new music? Let's go.
Yeah. I'm just trying to kill every platform possible. Everywhere you look, you gonna say he's a beast. Haha. I'm on the big screen, on a little screen. I know we got dreams. Nigga, you gon' see me in your dreams. Day mix, cause ain't no dream too big for me. Yo, these chicks don't wanna network, they just want my net worth. I ain't stopping till I have my own Bentley Farnsworth, but I'ma make it white though. Nah, that ain't a typo. Soon as the I-8 drops, prepare for the light show. Styling on some island while you talking about you might go. Pockets on lean, smooth criminal. Michael, how dare you motherfuckers try to tell me I ain't sick yet? In trouble for a sex tape and I ain't get my dick wet. I learn to live with regrets. Watch who you partner with. They don't even know me, all these activists is popping shit. Say I'm falling, but the only thing I drop is hits. Don't make me have to pop a bitch. No joke. Pop a bitch. Fucking vegetarians, they don't really want the beef. Pescatarians, rarely do they wanna meet. Keep bringing the heat like I'm rocking golden red. Won't stop till I'm old and dead. You can do better, go ahead and try. And while you yapping, I'm probably somewhere on the red eye. 80% Baltimore, 20% Bed-Stuy. Calling niggas out would take more than 48 bars, so I leave that to the Cassidys and Kendrick Lamars. I broke bread with the stars, made my peace with the gods. Nigga, fuck the hand that's dealt us what you do with the cards. I'm a walking brand, all up in your ears like a walking man. Everybody listen when they storm gets to talking, man. I'm on your baby mama mind. She says she love me and she follow me on Vine, on my Instagram and Twitter timeline. And don't be mad, boy, it ain't your time. I'm in my prime, real nigga in his prime. I'm in my prime, real nigga in his prime. Can somebody tell me when success became a crime? Oh, bitches spreading rumors, niggas being chicks, but still waiting on me to drop like the iPhone 6. Rookie niggas bring your team, you can't step to Han Solo. I'm everywhere on everything, like a fucking logo. Talking about I changed like you broke $1. Still doing it for my city and my mama shala. You can catch me up in Forbes, Bible, Vanity Fair, and a couple million subscribers landed me there. Fame wasn't in the plan, just had some music to share. A nigga tired of being left out, musical chairs. I touched a couple people and it reached more people. Spread it to 1 million people, niggas, you are not my equal. Run a paper chasing, did it all without a steeple. Amazing in my grace and did it all without a deacon. I'm just tripping, I'm just geeking, I'm just ripping, I'm just speaking the truth. Pop shit till I'm weak in the booth. Nigga, day came through, rain through like the leak in the roof. Haters listen up, I'm speaking to you. You ain't launched my career, you can't tell me how to end it. I work for every dime, don't tell me how to spend it. Nigga claim had a household and independent. Now I'm splurging with renters, doing versions and tennis shoes. A long way from government cheese and pro wings. Nigga, go ahead and judge me, I'm out to get some more things. Yeah, that's all you get. Every once in a while I gotta heat this shit up, man. Sometimes niggas think just because I make you laugh, the flow ain't proper. I know ain't no dream too big for me to dream. Back to your regularly scheduled program. Ain't no dream too big for me to dream.
If you missed my last video, bam, it's gonna be right there. Got some new music coming for you soon. You can get some new Daystorm gear. I got it all for y'all, yo. You can download this track here and below. It's on my SoundCloud. I got some new music coming soon. Now, without further ado, how about some Watch Me winners? Our grand prize winner, Drama B. First runner up, Ray, the coolest loser. Second runner up is Young Mark. Yo, congratulations to everybody who entered Watch Me 2013. I'll see y'all in Watch Me 2014. It was crazy. You know all my social sites, Vine, Feed, Twitter, Instagram. There's so many I don't even know how to keep up anymore. And I'm gonna see y'all soon. I'm out.